So my fabulous rats chewed my Wii U cord. As you can see, all the pieces everywhere. Now, what I've done is taken some wire splicers. Well, not really, but it has a little sharp edge in there, and it's not that sharp, so I just use scissors. And you just cut off all the broken stuff, and then you take, there's two different sets of wires inside. There's ones that are in a coating, and then there's ones that are not. So you want to separate those, and don't freak out if you get a little bit of the wire broken off. That's okay, as long as you still have most of it. And then you're going to attach these ones together, and you're going to attach the other ones together, and use some electrical tape. Alright? Hold on. Alright, so now you can see that wires A and B aren't touching. That's super important. You don't really want that to happen. Otherwise it just won't freaking work. Alright, now I'm going to put the electrical tape on. Alright, so I've put it on these ones. The ones that are inside the casing, because it's much easier to do that than trying to do this one first, and then you might have wires touching these ones. So do those ones first and then do the next ones. Alright, so after you're done, it should look like this. I just taped the other wires to these ones and make sure they're all in. So I'm gonna go ahead, plug this sucker back in here, if my camera will even focus. Probably not. Thanks, camera. Okay, it's all plugged in. Nothing's dying. That's a plus. No electrical things. Alright, let's see if it works. Yes! And that is how you fix your bad ratties. Screw up. Look it. You can't just chew it in one spot. You gotta chew like 5 and like 10 inches. Alright, thanks everyone.